am working towards feeding the chickens and getting breakfast going, and so I was going to show you a little bit of my chicken coop this morning. Alright, so it is a little bit of a distance away from the house, so during the winter time I make a path. You may have seen those paths in my videos. So, but yes, we make paths to our chicken coop just so we can feed our chickens in the winter. Okay. They always come and greet me. It did rain last night, so it is really moist and yucky. Okay, so this is the temperature. You see it? So you can come out here and check the temperature. Know that it's completely freezing. And I'm feeding the chickens in their tube. Okay, wait, I don't have to go into the yucky area. And then they're down here. They get it at the bottom. Okay. So, we have a roof on our end because in the wintertime it just fills up with snow and it just keeps them cool and out of the sun. So this is the pipe that we put water in. And if you watch way down there, you'll see the water just fill up, which is what I do. But sometimes I get a chicken that stands right here or right on the ladder and I can't see it. Today they're hungry. Last night I made them vegetarians and not eat their food. I gave them lots of fruit and vegetables from our dinner. Okay, so I'm going to twist you so you can't see it. Okay, so if you look, so this is where we have two doors. We have one into the coop, one under the coop, and then we have this open area where we can let them run. Now I sometimes let them out during the day, but recently we have two that like to hop the fence and run the yard. So we like to shut them down today. Plus it's wet. So that is our chicken coop. Thanks for watching and make sure you
subscribe.